So you want to open your own business, and you need a business plan to get started. You need to find a company that you can trust that can not only help you complete your plan, but help you develop your concept, prepare you to pitch to investors, lenders, and banks, and ultimately get you the money you're looking for. And you need it fast. Welcome to Plan to Profit. Here at Plan to Profit, you work one-on-one with a business plan expert to create your very own modern business plan. This modern business plan is designed specifically for what investors, lenders, and banks are looking for. Look at it this way. Do you remember the first phone that came out? It was big, clunky, and slow. It was great at the time. That is a traditional business plan. A 50 to 60 page document filled with old information that is not needed or current. It's filled with graphics and charts that no reader is looking at, and your plan is completed using a single generic template. Here at Plan to Profit, we build you the iPhone of business plans. It is comprehensive, easy to understand, and filled with modern and up-to-date information that is relevant and current to today's ever-changing marketplace. And the best part is, investors, lenders, and banks love us for it. We always remind our clients, we're not trying to win a business plan award, we're trying to get you money. And we get you money by doing three things. First, we build you a thorough and comprehensive financial forecast, which proves to you that your business is viable and sustainable. This stage is built with you, as you're the one with the vision for your business. You're the one with the idea. We simply help build your forecast that accurately represents your business. Now, once your forecast is complete, we then build the written portion of your plan, which supports your forecast. This will include an overview of you and your business. We will then explain the startup costs that are associated with opening your business. After, we build a clean and clear marketing strategy, which shows how you plan on generating the revenues that you have projected. We then show who is on your roster of key players, showing that you're not alone and that you have a strategic team behind you who is supporting you. We then format and edit the plan for you to ensure that it is professionally displayed. And lastly, and most importantly, we help you prepare to pitch to investors, lenders, and banks to confirm that you are fully prepared for any and all questions that are going to be asked to you. We here at Plan to Profit are invested in you and want to see you succeed. Now, you're probably asking, how do I start and how long is this whole process going to take me? Your business plan takes 7 to 10 days to complete, and you can start it today. If you like what you've heard so far, call us now at 1-844-752-6776 to speak with a business plan expert. And no longer work for others. Create your own job security, spend more time with your family and friends, and no longer just dream of opening your own business. Get it started today. We are here to help.